At first glance, the V50 is a masterpiece. A 6.8-inch 144Hz AMOLED display with 2K resolution and ultra-thin bezels ensures an immersive experience like never before. Vivo's commitment to premium design is evident, with a titanium alloy frame and ceramic back panel that screams sophistication. But what truly sets the Vivo V50 apart is its next-gen camera system. A revolutionary 108-megapixels primary sensor with Zeiss optics, a 50-megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 64-megapixels periscope zoom redefine mobile photography. Thanks to AI-enhanced computational photography, night shots are sharper, colors are more vibrant, and zoom capabilities rival professional cameras. And for selfie lovers, the under-display 50-megapixels front camera ensures a seamless screen experience without compromising image quality. The Vivo V50 doesn't just take pictures, it captures moments in breathtaking detail. Powering this beast is the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, paired with up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB UFS 4.0 storage. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing high-resolution videos, the V50 handles it all with ease. And with the new ICE Infinity cooling system, overheating is a thing of the past. Battery life. Say goodbye to low battery anxiety. A 5500 mAh graphene-enhanced battery ensures all-day power, while 120W wired and 80W wireless fast charging refuels your device in minutes. Plus, reverse wireless charging lets your phone power up other devices on the go. Running on the all-new FunTouch OS 15, based on Android 15, the Vivo V50 delivers a smooth, AI-driven experience. Features like AI-driven task optimization, gesture-based controls, and enhanced privacy settings make this the smartest Vivo yet. The Vivo V50 isn't just another smartphone, it's a glimpse into the future. Are you ready to experience the next evolution of mobile technology? Stay tuned for the official launch, and let us know in the comments, would you pick the Vivo V50 over the competition?